Let's unbox this July 2024 Curated Bead Box set and have a quick chat. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, I'm doing a unboxing. It is the Curated Bead Box. It came in yesterday, I believe. So I'm going to do the unboxing on that. But I wanted to kind of talk to you first before we jump into the unboxing. I was wanting to let you know we are real close to 2,000 subscribers. If we can get me up to about, I wanted to say 5, but I'll kind of cut it back down. Let's say 3,500 subscribers, then we'll do another giveaway. I don't know, it could be a jewelry set, something, a real pretty set that I've made, or maybe a set of jewelry tools. The last giveaway was something kitchen related. I think it was a scale and an apron and something else. So drop me in the comment section below too, what do you think you would want for a giveaway, for a small giveaway, not a big one, a small one, come, you know, once we get to around 3,500 subscribers. So let me know what you think. But I've not really faced y'all in a while, I don't guess, so there's my face. And I've not done a cooking video in a while, I know, and I'm kind of missing that. So hopefully here in the next little bit I'll try to do another cooking video. But let's go ahead and jump on into the Curated Bead Box subscription. And they are just another subscription company like the Bargain Bead Box, like the dollar bead bag and bead box. And I think with them, I believe it's $20 a month. And I can't remember because I get them confused unless I have it right in front of me. And for some reason, I didn't think to bring that with me. But I know it's $20 a month. I think it's free shipping. They could charge shipping. I know Bargain Bead Box does not. But anyway, it's $20 a month. And I'm trying to get through to it, but I think I'm going through the wrong channel or something. Maybe I need to call. But I'm wanting to get it to where I can get a coupon code for you all for your very first order. Because I think with them, the very first order, you get 35% off. So I'm trying my best to get in touch with them to get that. But anyway, I will leave the link in the description box below if you like this set, if you want to go check them out. Again, it's Curated Bead Box, and I'll leave the link below so you can go check them out. So with all of that being said, let's go ahead and jump on in and see what we got for July 2024. All right, hopefully that won't cast too much of a shadow, but this is, ignore my nails, I've got to redo them. But this is Curated Bead Box for July 2024, and this is my summer garden. So it looks like we're going to have a lot of yellows and oranges and pinks and different stuff. So let's go ahead and break into this and see what we've got. And by the way, I still have not went to Hobby Lobby yet. I've got to get up there. But anyway, I did go to Walmart. Walmart carries these little things. They are $1.44, I want to think, is what I gave for that. So it'll hold, I don't know if it'll hold it all, but it'll hold most of it anyway. But I know I'm running out of boxes, containers, whatever. All right. That's a pretty little bag. Okie dokie, I'm going to do my best to try to figure out what these are. Most of the time I can pretty well figure them out, but I do have moments. So we're starting it out with, they are 10mm beads, orange matte glass bead, and it's a 6-string. It's a 6-inch string. That must be it. So that is orange matte, and it is matte. It's kind of pretty. It's like a dark kind of orange. I don't know. What did that look? I don't know if this will help you see or not. kind of the shine if, I don't know if it's gonna help or not, but anyway, there is that matte orange. Alrighty, here we go. Now, and it died. I don't think I needed it anyway. Okay, so there is the orange matte. I'll get these two in a minute. Then we've got a 10mm yellow swirl marble style glass bead, and it's also a 6-inch string. So yellow swirl marble, must be this one, and it's like that glass. It's shiny. I'm trying not to get too close this time. Like my last unboxing, I blurred everything, and I apologize for that. But that's pretty. It's yellow, and it's got swirls of white and a little bit of black in there, or gray. So it's kind of marbled. That's pretty. Okay, so next we have 8mm red blossom spray glass bead, and it's a 10-inch string, and I do believe that's this one. Then we have a 6mm red yellow marble style glass bead, and it is a 16-inch string, so I believe that's this one. It's red yellow marbled, and that's what that looks, and that's pretty long string, so I believe that's it. Did I show you good enough? I don't know. Then we have a 6mm fuchsia gold drizzled glass bead. That's got to be this one. And it's a 10-inch string. Oh, here's the one I missed. Okay, 8mm soft pink marble style glass bead, 16-inch string. Okay, I missed that one, then it got me all messed up. That's pretty. That's like a baby pink with white in it. That's pretty. Then this one, I'm trying to figure out what this one is. I think this was, it has to be the fuchsia gold drizzled glass bead, 10-inch string, 6mm. So it's pink and it's, I guess that's gold. Yeah, I can say that's gold. Okay. Under the light, where I had it kind of looked yellow. I think that was throwing me off. Okie dokie, there's that. Now, we have approximately 1 ounce Summer Blooms glass bead mix. That's probably this. Summer Blooms glass bead mix. Let me make sure. I believe it is, yeah. Summer Bloom glass bead mix. Ooh. I don't want to get too close. These are really pretty and unique. This is, the hole there is kind of in the side. It's got a pointed top. It's not really a bicone. similar to a bicone. I don't know, it's odd. It's an odd shape, but it's pretty. So we've got those. These are really pretty. These are fancy. They're like a brownish orange kind of color. They look like a disco ball in a way. And then there's some pink ones. And then they always send these. It's got that little metal silver lining. But these are the clear. I know I've had green, yellow. But then there's some other oranges in there and some pinks. So, okay. So that's the summer bloom. Then we have approximately 1 ounce of yellow transparent peanut glass beads. Probably these, because they are transparent. And I guess that peanut glass is that. Looks like an hourglass. But it's about 1 ounce of those. All right, then we've got about 1 ounce of 8 by 4 millimeter yellow transparent peanut glass beads. That's what I just showed you. Then we've got 1 ounce of 8 by 4 millimeter yellow pink. Why am I reading it over and over, April? What is it? Oh, wait, here we go. Okay, it's 8 by 4 millimeter yellow transparent peanut glass bead, and then 8 by 4 millimeter yellow peanut glass bead. So it's the transparent one, so you know you can see through them. But then we also have another ounce, and it is yellow. It's the peanut style, but obviously they are opaque. You cannot see through those. All right, then we have 12 millimeter rust or fuchsia gemstones, gold links, and it's 4 links. So I believe that's this. So 12 millimeter rust or fuchsia gemstone with gold links, and there's 4. Ooh, those are pretty. Those are pretty. I really do like those. Those are really pretty. Okay, then we have see, I'm missing something right here. I need to go back and try to find it. I think this was the, yeah, this is approximately 1 ounce of summer, a 6 ounce 1 ounce bag of 6 millimeter strawberry red glass beads. I'm trying, y'all, but I think I'm struggling. Woo, Lord mercy. Okay. Those are cute. What we got left here? I think this is the last thing other than the findings. Okay, last we've got 22 by 18 millimeter butterfly / ladybug rhinestone gold link. And there are 2. And I love ladybugs. Love butterflies too. Those are cute. Those are really cute. A friend I used to work with, she passed away, sadly, but she loved ladybugs. I mean, everything about her was ladybugs. But she would love those. Okay, now with Curated Bead Box, they always send you findings. So that is a little different than some of the other curated. Well, they're all curated, but that's actually the name of the company's Curated Bead Box. But they send you findings because they want you to go ahead and get started making jewelry, you know, not have to go out and buy more stuff. That way you can start immediately. And so there's some gold jump rings, some lobster clasp. There is some stretch cord. I think that's beading wire. I don't know how many strand. And then that feels like that's probably, it doesn't, let me see if it tells me. Yeah, I thought it was memory wire. It's a smaller memory wire, but it is memory wire in the gold. And then we've got crimp beads to go with the beading wire. I think that's it. So let me go ahead and get all of this. Oh, here's some ear wires too. Let me go ahead and get all, and head pins. Here's some head pins. Okay, for the last time. Let me go ahead and get all of this put away, and I'm going to try to get it in my little thing here. We'll see how that fits, and then I will come right back and I will show you. Well, pretty much everything fit. All the beads fit, even the ones that was in the little bag, except for these 4 links. And then these 2 links. That's the only thing that didn't fit in there. So, but they'll still, I can fit them in there. They just won't have their own compartment. And then obviously then the findings didn't fit. So anyway, I will try to figure out something I want to make with this. I don't know what just yet, but hopefully within the next, maybe even today, maybe even here in a little bit, we'll make something, and I'll try to get that video out just as soon as I can. I really love these. That's probably going to be my starting point. That's just adorable. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and help me, you know, share my stuff on your social media and get us up to, I'd like to get up to 5,000, but if we can at least get up to 3,500, then we'll do a small giveaway. And leave me a comment and, you know, do all of that thing. All the things, which helps us all, that you probably get tired of hearing everybody say. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Go check them out. I think you will like it. Because you can't go and just spend $20 and get every bit of this. There's no way. So anyway, I will talk to you guys. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.